are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market. Can I ask you something? Yes, sure. Did you finish your homework? Not yet. I will do it tonight. You look upset. What happened? Nothing serious. Just tired. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. You? Can we talk later? I'm busy now. Okay, no problem. Why didn't you message me? I was busy with work. Do you want to go for a walk? Yes, let's go.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, I will help you.
What time will you come?
Around p.m. I liked your idea. Thank you. I'm glad you liked it. You are looking happy today. Yes, I got good news. Do you watch movies? Yes, I love action movies. Can I call you later? Sure, call me after 8. I'm feeling bored. Let's play a game then. Where do you live? I live near the school.